All right, guys, you are welcome back. So it's now official that the government of the United Kingdom has made significant changes to the immigration rules. And for the past 3 weeks, we have been expecting these particular changes to be announced officially, and it's finally here. According to the official statement that has been put out by the government officials, these changes are very significant as it relates to migrants who want to relocate to the United Kingdom. Earlier, before now, the UK government had said that they were looking into making some significant changes that is meant to tackle the labor shortage in the country, including several other concerns that they have about. They were looking at increasing the number of foreign workers that are issued a work visa, known as seasonal work visa, and also increasing the time duration of their stay, that is the visa validity. So with this, workers can stay longer in the UK using this visa type. So another change that we are actually expecting has been in the area of the dependent visa. And there has been several concerns about the great and high number of dependents who have migrated to the UK in the recent times under the study route. Before now, I've done several videos about these updates. So therefore, in this video, it's now official that these changes has been made. So I'm going to show you the official statement as released by the government of the United Kingdom. Meanwhile, if you are new on this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button. Also like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications. So in this channel, I share relevant content that will help you to relocate and migrate abroad, to live, to study, and to work. I equally provide you several information that will help you to actualize your travel abroad dreams and equally give you access to several global opportunities. I have several contents that you can take advantage of that you can use to migrate to several countries such as the Netherlands, Portugal, France, Japan, Switzerland, Sweden, Germany, Norway, Austria, Australia, and several other countries. All right, so let's get right into it. These changes was released on the 18th of October by the UK government in an official statement. Okay, so this is how it is. The official seasonal work visa has been expanded to include roles in the poultry sector, that is the farming or agricultural sector. This is to support genuine seasonal harvest that will lead up to the upcoming festive season, and it will equally increase the agricultural output of the UK economy. So according to these recent changes, poultry workers under this occupation code 531 and 5433 are to receive at least £25,600 each year. This implies that there are more roles that has been extended under the seasonal work visa, and these roles are specifically in the poultry sector. And there's also a great salary threshold of at least 25,600 per year. This implies that for you to be eligible for this, you need to secure a job in the poultry sector, and that job must be able to pay you at least this amount of £25,600 annually. Then, as regards other poultry workers, you are to be paid at least £10 per hour, and you can work up to 30 hours under paid employment per week. In fact, these requirements are put in place in order to discourage poor conditions that are often experienced by several workers in the poultry or farming or agricultural sector in the country. So this particular policy as regards this threshold for the minimum salary for the poultry sector is an advantage to foreign workers who may want to take advantage of this. Also, on the other hand, changes has been made As regards the requirement for you to provide entry clearance, that is when a person is subject to travel ban imposed by the UK or the UN. So this basically will not alter whether the person can enter the UK. It will simply make it easier to achieve the same effect administratively. Then another notable change that has just been made is that there has been an abolishment of the requirement for migrants to register with the police upon arrival in the United Kingdom. So the police registration scheme is considered outdated and that it no longer provides any public protection benefits, whether for the police or for the Home Office in the UK. This implies that for migrants from countries which has the mandatory requirement for you to register with the police when you touch down in the UK, you do no longer have to bother about this. So this is a huge change to those that were affected by this before now. It is instructive to note that the data provided by the migrants to the police during this registration prior before now has already been captured by the Home Office during the visa application stage, and is also available to the police on request. So there is no need to repeat the same process again or for it to be provided the second time, because it's not good for the police to have vast amounts of data at their disposal, while they can always reach out to the Home Office if there is need for that. On the other hand, this will equally enable the authorities to be able to stop whoever that may pose a security risk from even getting the visa approval in the first place, since all the data has been captured prior to your visa approval. So you don't need to submit the application or submit your data to the Home Office when you are applying for your visa, and also submit another data again to the police when you arrive in the UK. So they are taking that out of the way by collecting the data once. Then the Home Office will provide the same data to the police. So it's obvious that getting this data twice has been a burden to the Home Office, the police, and the migrants. So they have scrapped this particular burden of you having to duplicate the same work. So that's a good news for several migrants from different parts of the world who may want to take advantage of these opportunities. So this particular rules has been simplified in recommendations of the new Commission's report, which simplifies the immigration rules to which the government responded to on the 25th of March 2020. So the necessary changes for the immigration rules has already been laid as at the 18th of October 2022. However, the closing date for the applications for this poultry work is 15th of November 2022. And the successful applicants are expected to leave the UK, leave for the UK by 31st of December 2022. So this particular new policy has already been communicated to the sector in the Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, Food Strategy, and Agricultural Produce. So they are prepared and they are working towards this change. So like I said before, these are very fundamental aspects of these changes. Also, I will leave the link to the full list of the changes in the description below, so you can go ahead to check out other aspects of these changes, and like the ones we are still expecting, and as regards the student visa, the skilled worker visa, and the dependent visa, and the post-study work visa. From time to time, the UK government will continue to make significant changes to these immigration rules. So we expect more of this. So, and I believe that the next statement from the government is going to capture other aspects of these changes that they have not yet published. All right, so watch out for this on my channel. So I will be bringing you the breaking news as they unfold. Therefore, if you find this video helpful and valuable, kindly smash on the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, like it, and comment down below. I would also like to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.